In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a product on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a newcomer to the world of e-commerce, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and enjoyable. First, let's head over to Amazon by opening your preferred web browser and typing in amazon.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar Amazon homepage. Before we dive into shopping, let's ensure you're signed into your account. Locate the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you don't have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one by following the prompts for new users. Now you'll need to enter your email address linked with your Amazon account. Ensure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click continue. Next up, enter your password and then click the sign in button. It's crucial to keep your password secure and private to protect your account. If you ever forget it, Amazon has an account recovery process to help you out. After successfully logging in, you're back on your Amazon homepage. Here you can start by using the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you want. Maybe you're interested in a new gadget or a book you've been eyeing. Type the name of the product you're searching for and hit the search icon. If you're unsure about what exactly you want, browsing through categories might inspire you. Amazon's categories include electronics, clothing, books, and much more, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Once you've spotted a product that catches your eye, click on it to visit its dedicated product page. Here you can check out the product details, read customer reviews, and compare prices to ensure you're making an informed decision. If you decide to go ahead with the purchase, click Add to Cart. To finalize your order, navigate to your shopping cart by clicking on the cart icon usually found in the upper right corner of the page. From there, click Proceed to Checkout. You'll need to provide your shipping address if you haven't already. Choose the delivery option that best suits you, standard, expedited, or 2-day shipping, depending on your preferences and needs. Next, select your payment method. Amazon accepts various forms of payment, including credit and debit cards, as well as gift cards. Enter the necessary payment details with care to avoid any errors. Before you place the order, double check all the details. Ensure everything is correct, from the shipping address to the item listed in your cart. Once you're confident everything is set, click Place Your Order. After placing your order, you'll receive a confirmation email from Amazon. This email will contain all the details of your order, ensuring you have everything you need to track your purchase until it arrives at your doorstep. Congratulations, you've successfully placed an order on Amazon.